What if I told you there's a secret group of fruit plants that literally give you twice the harvest, but you'll never find them at your local garden center? Not because they're rare or difficult to grow, but because nurseries make more money keeping you in the dark. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could transform your garden into a food-producing powerhouse without spending another dime on plants. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening, friend. If you're new here, this channel is all about growing abundance on a shoestring budget. I'm so glad you found us today because this video might just be the game changer your garden needs. And to my returning viewers, you incredible humans, thank you for being here again. Your support means the world. Now, before we dig into these 7 incredible plants, do me a quick favor. If you want more budget-friendly gardening secrets that actually work, smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out. Trust me, what's coming next is something you'll want to save and come back to. Let's get growing. Alright, let's talk about something the garden industry doesn't want you to know. You see, most fruit plants you buy are sold as single specimens. You plant one, you get one. But nature has a different plan. There's a whole category of fruit-bearing plants that can multiply themselves, giving you double, triple, even quadruple the production from that one initial investment. And here's the kicker, nurseries won't stock these because they'd rather sell you 10 plants instead of teaching you how to turn one into 10. It's not a conspiracy, it's just business. But today, we're flipping the script. I'm handing you the knowledge to build a thriving food forest without emptying your wallet. Sounds good? Let's jump into number 1. Plant 1, strawberries. First up, we have the strawberry plant. Now, I know what you're thinking, strawberries? Really? That's your big secret? Hear me out. Most people buy strawberry plants and just wait for fruit. But here's what they're missing, strawberries are propagation machines. Every healthy strawberry plant sends out these little stems called runners. At the end of each runner, a baby plant forms. One mother plant can easily produce 5 to 10 daughter plants in a single season. And guess what? Those babies will bear fruit the following year. Here's how you make this work. When you see those runners developing, don't cut them off like some gardening books tell you. Instead, grab a small pot, fill it with soil, and pin that runner down into the pot while it's still attached to the mother plant. Let it establish roots for about 3 weeks, then snip the connection. Boom, free strawberry plant. By year 2, if you started with just 3 strawberry plants, you could have 30 or more without spending another cent. That's not just doubling your harvest, that's multiplying it tenfold. And strawberries aren't picky either. They thrive in containers, raised beds, or even hanging baskets. This is hands down one of the easiest ways to expand your fruit production for zero cost. Plant 2, fig trees. Number 2 is the fig tree, and this one's a personal favorite. Figs have this incredible ability to root from cuttings with almost ridiculous success rates. I'm talking 70 to 80% success if you do it right. Here's the method. In late winter or early spring, when the tree is dormant, take a cutting about 8 to 10 inches long from a healthy branch. Make sure it's pencil thick. Remove any leaves, dip the cut end in some honey. Yes, honey works as a natural rooting hormone, and stick it directly into moist soil or a pot. Keep it in a shaded spot, water it regularly, and within 6 to 8 weeks, you'll see new growth. That's your signal that roots are forming. By the next season, you've got a brand new fig tree ready to produce fruit. One mature fig tree can give you dozens of cuttings each year. Imagine starting with one tree and having an entire fig grove within 3 years. And figs? They're drought-tolerant, pest-resistant, and produce sweet, delicious fruit that sells for premium prices at farmers' markets. You're literally growing money on trees here. Plant 3, raspberries and blackberries. Coming in at number 3, we've got raspberries and blackberries, the bramble family. These plants are aggressive growers, and I mean that in the best way possible. Raspberries and blackberries spread through underground stems called rhizomes. If you plant one cane, within 2 seasons, you'll have new canes popping up all around it. These aren't weak little shoots either, they're full-fledged productive canes that will fruit the following year. Here's the trick: don't fight the spread. Instead, control it. When you see new canes emerging a foot or two away from the original plant, dig them up carefully with some roots attached and transplant them wherever you want more berries. Each one becomes an independent plant. I started with 5 raspberry canes 4 years ago. Today, I have over 50 canes producing fruit, and I've given away at least 20 to friends and neighbors. All from that initial 5-plant investment. The beauty of brambles is their forgiving. They grow in partial shade, tolerate poor soil, and once established, they're nearly impossible to kill. If you want a low-maintenance fruit source that keeps on giving, this is it. Quick pause: if you're loving this information, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach more gardeners who need these tips. And drop a comment below telling me which of these plants you're most excited to try. I read every single comment and love hearing from you. Alright, back to the list. Plant 4, currant bushes. Number 4 is the currant bush, both red and black varieties. These are seriously underrated in home gardens, but they're absolute propagation champions. Currants can be multiplied through a method called hardwood cuttings. In late fall or winter, after the bush has gone dormant, cut a healthy stem about 10 to 12 inches long. Bury 2/3 of it in the ground or in a deep pot filled with soil, leaving just the top third exposed. By spring, that cutting will start pushing out leaves, which means roots are developing underground. By the following fall, you've got a fully rooted currant bush ready to transplant. One mature currant bush can provide you with 20 or more cuttings each year. Currants are packed with vitamin C, make incredible jams and jellies, and the bushes themselves are compact and perfect for small spaces. They fruit reliably every year, and because they're not common in stores, homegrown currants feel like a real luxury. Plus, they tolerate shade better than most fruiting plants, making them perfect for those tricky spots in your yard. Plant 5, grapes. Number 5, grapes. Now, grapes have a reputation for being high maintenance, but propagating them? That's shockingly simple. Grapes propagate beautifully through layering. Here's how it works: take a long, flexible vine from your grapevine and bend it down to the ground. Bury a section of that vine under a few inches of soil, but leave the tip sticking out. Secure it with a rock or a landscape staple. Over the next few months, that buried section will develop its own root system. Once it's well rooted, usually by the end of the growing season, you can cut it away from the mother vine and transplant it. You've just created a clone of your original grapevine. One grapevine can easily give you 5 to 10 new plants through layering, and those new vines will produce fruit within 2 to 3 years. Grapes are productive for decades, so you're not just doubling your harvest, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of fruit. And here's a bonus: grapevines are stunning. They provide shade, privacy, and beauty while feeding you. That's a triple win in my book. Plant 6, blueberry bushes. Number 6 is the humble blueberry bush, and this one's a bit different. Blueberries don't send out runners or suckers like some of the others, but they propagate incredibly well through a technique called softwood cuttings. In early summer, when the bush is actively growing, snip off a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy branch. Remove the lower leaves, dip the cut end in rooting hormone or honey, like we talked about with figs, and plant it in a pot filled with a mix of peat moss and perlite. Keep the soil moist and the cutting in indirect light. Within 8 to 10 weeks, you'll see new growth, which means roots are forming. By the following spring, you've got a new blueberry bush ready to go in the ground. Blueberries are one of the healthiest fruits you can grow, packed with antioxidants and flavor. They do need acidic soil, so if you're planting them, amend your soil with sulfur or use containers filled with an acidic potting mix. One blueberry bush can provide you with enough cuttings to create a whole blueberry patch, and once they mature, you'll have fresh berries for months every summer. Plant 7, elderberries. And finally, number 7, the elderberry. This plant is an absolute powerhouse, both for propagation and for health benefits. Elderberries propagate through hardwood cuttings, just like currants. In late fall or early winter, cut a 12-inch section from a healthy branch. Plant it directly in the ground or in a deep pot, burying about 2/3 of the cutting. By spring, it'll leaf out, and by fall, you'll have a rooted elderberry plant ready to transplant. One mature elderberry bush can give you dozens of cuttings each year, meaning you can build an entire elderberry hedge from a single plant. Elderberries are famous for their immune-boosting properties. The berries make incredible syrups, jams, and wines. The plants themselves are vigorous, pest-resistant, and can handle a variety of soil conditions. They're also beautiful, with clusters of white flowers in spring and dark purple berries in late summer. If you're looking for a plant that gives you medicinal value, culinary use, and easy propagation all in one package, elderberry is your answer. So there you have it, friends, 7 fruit plants that give you double the harvest, sometimes more, and they're all plants you can start multiplying right in your own backyard. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Strawberries with their runner magic. 2. Figs that root like clockwork. 3. Raspberries and blackberries spreading through rhizomes. 4. Currants that root from simple cuttings. 5. Grapes that layer themselves into new plants. 6. Blueberries that propagate through softwood cuttings. And 7. Elderberries that multiply effortlessly. The garden industry wants you to keep buying plants season after season. But now you know better. You've got the power to turn one plant into 10, 20, even 50. That's how you build food security without breaking the bank. If this video helped you, please share it with a fellow gardener. Knowledge like this is meant to be spread, not hoarded. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got so much more coming your way. Before you go, I'd love to know, which of these 7 plants are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be down there chatting with you. Thanks for watching, and remember to grow smart, grow abundant, and never let anyone convince you that gardening has to be expensive. I'll see you in the next one. Happy growing.